children. And we are the parents, so we must be the fathers and mothers of the children that's growing up, so we have a brand new love generation. Love generation. Come on.
You see, because the greatest thing is spirituality. Share that love, come on. Share that love, come on. Share that hope, come on. Share that dream.
Matchup is only love. Q music is only love.